What's going on YouTube to another Steam Deck tutorial. Today we're going to be covering getting GeForce Now on the Steam Deck. Let's jump right into it. As you guys can see, I did add a hand cam here, so you guys can see that I am actually using the Steam Deck. Right now, it is connected to Type-C to HDMI. So right now, we already have GeForce Now installed, but I'm going to take you step by step on how to get it on your Steam Deck. First, you're going to press the Steam button, scroll all the way down till you get to power, then switch to desktop mode. I'm going to give it a few seconds. It's going to load in because you see I can't use the cursor. You're going to go into your choice of browser. I'm going to choose Chrome for me. Let it load. You can see right here, I'm going to select GeForce Now. You're going to see other options here. Make sure you select download onto Steam Deck. It's going to pop up with a download option. It's going to say downloads right here. You're going to close out the screen. You're going to go to your folder. You're going to click this right here, GeForce Now setup. It's going to tell you to execute this. Once you have proceeded to execute, it's going to open and close Steam. Then it's going to tell you to switch back into game mode. I have the default animation screen. You're going to select GeForce, go ahead and play. Before you can play, it's going to tell you to log into your account. If you do not have a GeForce account, make sure you guys do that. And these are all the games that work with GeForce Now on your Steam Deck. Cyberpunk, Borderlands 3 and 2, Dead Island. You have all these games. For me, I noticed that they do not have Call of Duty Black Ops 3. There is a paid membership. If you guys want to pay for this experience, go ahead and do that. For me, I'm playing the 1 hour free membership. It does come with ads. This is for the free membership. So there is a waiting time for it to be free. As you guys can see on the screen, it says gamers ahead of you, 18. You do have to wait to play the free version. If you guys want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button. Till then, peace.